Welcome to our channel. Discover card activation has never been easier, and today we're walking you through a quick and simple method to get your card ready for use instantly. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to guide you on how to activate your Discover credit card in a fast and straightforward way. Getting your card activated is essential to start enjoying all the benefits it offers, whether you're a new cardholder or received a replacement card. Follow these easy steps to activate your Discover credit card quickly and safely. Step 1. Locate your card information. Before starting, ensure you have your Discover credit card handy, as you will need important details like the card number and your personal identification information. Step 2. Choose your activation method. Discover offers several convenient ways to activate your card, including online activation via their official website, phone activation through their automated system, or mobile app activation if you have the Discover app downloaded on your smartphone. Step 3. Activate online. To activate online, go to the official Discover website and find the activation section. You will need to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once submitted, you should receive a confirmation that your card is now active. Step 4. Activate by phone. If you prefer to activate by phone, call the number printed on the sticker attached to your card, or visit the Discover website to find the accurate phone number. Follow the automated prompts, enter your card information and your personal details. You will hear confirmation once your card has been successfully activated. Step 5. Activate through the mobile app. If you already use the Discover app, simply open it and navigate to the activation option. Enter your card details or scan your card. If the option is available, the app will guide you through the activation steps and confirm when your card is ready to use. Step 6. Verify your card is activated. After completing one of the activation methods, test your card by making a small purchase or checking your account online, just to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Step 7. Keep your card information safe. Always remember to keep your card number, PIN, and other personal info confidential, and never share it with untrusted sources. Activating your Discover credit card is a quick process that helps secure your finances and unlocks your access to credit rewards and other benefits. Now that your card is active, you can start to enjoy online shopping, travel rewards, and cash back offers confidently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and tips.